Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing both devices, plug them into power, connect to the same Wi-Fi, and unlock them. On the source phone, open WhatsApp and create a fresh backup. Include media only if you need it. Once done, choose the correct transfer method for your platforms, a local cable for Android to iPhone, or the WhatsApp transfer option within settings when available. Make sure you have the same phone numbers active. This prevents account mismatch during the handoff. Now execute the transfer step by step. Verify your phone number when WhatsApp asks, grant permission to access storage and contacts, and if prompted, scan the migration QR code on the source device. For cable transfers, keep the cable secure. For wireless migration, keep both devices within a few feet. The app may show a progress bar for messages and media. Stay patient and do not close WhatsApp or switch networks. Once finished, you'll see a confirmation screen. Tap through to finalize. Finish by opening WhatsApp on the new phone and signing in with the same number. The app will detect transferred data and prompt you to restore. After restoration, skim key chats and media to confirm integrity and make sure group chats and settings migrated correctly. If something went wrong, don't panic. Check available storage and repeat the process, or create a new backup on the source device, then restart the migration. One key troubleshooting tip: if transfer stalls, reconnect cables, reboot both phones, and try again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.